So now what we're going to do is we are going to readjust our windows. We're going to go to the workspace and reset essentials. So that way we see what it is. Everybody sees the same thing basically. And what we're going to do is I want you to click on the layer that says rows down here. Click on the layer that says rows, and I want you to go down to this bottom thing down here. Alright, and I want you to create a new fill or adjustment layer. I want you to click on it and select brightness contrast. Took me a little while. Alright, and this is how we're going to brighten a photo. And you'll notice right here that we can make our adjustments here if we want to brighten our photo. It's one of the things that you often have to do. We're going to add in a little bit of contrast. You know what? Adjust it to the way that you would like. For those that are really into photography, you might want to bring up the histogram window. And you'll notice that we have our histogram right here. And if we double click on this right here, you'll notice that it goes back to properties. So what we can do actually is pull this down right here like that. Good. So bring up our histogram, and you'll notice that we are making our adjustments right there. I like it. That looks pretty good, and there. Okay, that's great. That's good. If you want to get rid of these windows, you can just close them like that. Now, take a look down here. What do we got? We have an adjustment layer. And please notice that there's different parts of these adjustment layers. This little icon right here is what you click on in order to change anything. And afterwards in Photoshop, you can always open these up later and change them. This right here is called the mask. We're going to come back to that a little bit later. So just when you're making your adjustments, don't work off of this one yet. You want to work off of this one at the moment, okay? All right. Now, why would you use an adjustment layer? Well, for one thing, you can turn it on and off in order to see what you've done. Isn't that nice? Now it comes time to do some saving. So we're going to go up to File. We're going to pick Save As, and we're going to change the name of this file. So first of all, we're going to change it from 01 Start to 01 Working. This is our working file right now, and we have Google Drive installed. So you'll go to your Google Drive, ComTech, Photoshop 1, the folder that you created, and we're going to hit Save into Photoshop 1. And our Google Drive Backup and Sync app is going to upload it. If you don't have that installed, then you're going to need to drag that into the assignments folder when the time comes. But certainly save it right now. That's pretty important. Big programs like Photoshop do tend to crash every now and then.